In this video, I'll explain why your TV has sound but no picture and walk you through 6 methods to fix it. Let's dive in. Method 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 15 to 30 seconds. Plug it back in after 1 minute and turn it on. This clears any temporary glitch or power bug that could be affecting the display. Method 2. Check backlight. Turn off the lights in the room. Shine a flashlight close to the screen while the TV is on. If you can see faint images, it means your TV's backlight is faulty and needs repair. Method 3. Try a different input source. Use your remote to switch to a different HDMI port or input source. Or connect a device like a laptop, streaming stick, or game console to check if the display works with another source. Method 4. Check the HDMI cable. Unplug the HDMI cable and plug it back in securely. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. If that doesn't help, replace the HDMI cable entirely. Method 5. Reset picture settings. If you can access the menu, go to Settings, Picture, Reset Picture Settings. Names may vary by brand. This can fix brightness, contrast, or screen setting errors. Method 6. Perform a factory reset. If possible, go to Settings, General Reset, Factory Reset. If you can't see the menu, refer to your TV's manual for hardware button combinations to force a reset. Still not working? Your TV may have a hardware issue like a faulty main board, T-Con board, or backlight panel. Contact a technician or your TV support center. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes and smart tips.